Hey, yo, what's up, guys? This is Ryder Red coming live from fucking Siberia, Russia. And we're just in the middle of nowhere. If you haven't figured out, this is the first video I'm doing in 2019. This is not a season opener or anything, but we're out exploring some random roads, and I figured you guys might want to tag along, right? I'll update you once we find something interesting. Yo, we're on a freaking concrete road here, and it sounds like we're on a fucking train right now. Do you hear that? Yeah. Oh my god, man, this is so bad. What does it say? Aragazoten region? Yeah. Well, welcome to the railroad, guys. I am so not gonna come here on a bike. Yo, just some two guys doing some weed or something, dude. Alright, another update. We're finally in the middle of fucking nowhere. There's literally nothing around us. Just a fucking road, and that road is like, I wouldn't even call this a road.
It's all in a chip.
Do you see that mountain?
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna be able to pick it up on the GoPro, really. But yeah. If you can see, there is literally nothing in front of us. If you wanted nothing, this is where you come to get it. Yo, what's up, my dudes? This is Ryder in Red. You can see my face, hopefully. We're in the middle of fucking nowhere. There's a freaking mountain out there. You can't see my arm even better. I swear, I'm pointing something out there. There we go. And then there is a road that continues on there. And then there's nothing on that side. Absolutely nothing. And just the sky here. But yeah, guys, wish me luck. We're gonna explore a little further and see what we come up with. Oh, there's another car, actually. There should be something out there. Show me the stuff. And now look at this, guys. What in the actual fuck? This to this. Beautiful. In case you were wondering, you might get some bumpy roads up in here. We've been driving for like what, like 10 kilometers already down this road? Holy shit, this road, my man. We need the fucking... Oh my god! Ale syczona! Obecnie użyłem samar mu. Mocno etwas geçen şurgas kuzgun.
Tam tutenne gefahren die Reitelle Gorki kutem. Gorni neçe.
Sagt enu mesicon tatar.
Yo, check the light out. There's one light out here. It's very helpful. Day 5. We're still going down this road, guys. What the fuck? There's a sign of people running around here, and there's a cemetery on the right side. Makes perfect sense. Yo, holy shit, this is like... There is a drop of like 200 meters on the right. That banner said a family resort place. If you look to the right, guys, that's exactly where you want to take your family. And a shovel. And a fucking rope. And 3 black bags. You want to observe? This is not how you park the car. How am I supposed to get out of here?
Open the door, just...
What? Shit, son. Got it. I got it. I suggest we get the fuck out of here, man. Shenanigans. Can you guys hear that?
No.
And the drop down. We're shenanigans. So you guys. Yeah. Alright, I don't think we're gonna end up finding food here. I think that banner was a fucking lie. The cake was a lie. Did you order champagne? It's right over here. Come get it. By the way, guys, I understand the quality is gonna be shit on this video, like royal shit, but it is what it is. It's fucking dark out there, man. On the right side, you see the remains of USSR. On the front side, you see the remains of Armenia.